Windows 11 22S2 file copy performance hit. Microsoft fixes. Microsoft has addressed a non-issue leading to significant performance hits when copying large files over SME after installing the Windows 11 2022 update. There is a performance reduction in 22S2 when copying larger files from a remote computer down to a Windows 11 computer or when copying files on a local drive, explained Microsoft net Pyle when acknowledging the issue more than a month ago in early October. Even though Redmond did not provide any information on the actual decrease in performance on affected system, the amount of time needed for file operation could more than double in some conditions according to user reports. However, it did share on September 30 in the KB50153 and 9 preview update support document that Windows devices used in home networks or small offices are less likely to be impacted by issue. You are more likely to experience this issuing copying files to Windows 11 version 22S2 from a network share via server, message block, SME, but local file copy might also be affected. Microsoft added almost 2 months later, the company issued a fix rolling out to system enrolled in the Windows Insider program. The preview fix for this issue is now available in Windows 11 Insider Preview build 25252. Pyle said on Monday, the final fix for Windows 11 22S2 production computer will come in a normal monthly community update through Windows Update once validate Insider builds. Workaround available. Microsoft also shared a temporary solution affected customers can use to work around the file performance hit. As it explains, user can mitigate the file copying over SME issues with the help of file copying utilities that do not use cache manager buffered I/O. To do this, you can use the built-in robocopy and xcopy tools with the template commands listed below. Robocopy space double backslash some server slash some share c colon slash some folder space some file dot image space slash g or xcopy space double backslash some server slash some share c colon backslash some folder space slash j.